Okay, so we have the fluffy clouds ready, and now we're coming to the end of the end. We're gonna do some pom-poms here. Super fluffy pom-poms will be like the last detail here. So for that, I left the space in the kit for that here. So you're gonna thread your needle like that, with the color that you want. So with this, we're gonna stitch the little pom-poms. And now you're gonna get a bit of thread. So it could be, if it's super long, it will be like a big pom-pom. So just try different sizes and do a bit of experimentation about this. So we're gonna start folding this like that. Then I'm gonna fold this again, and then again. So I think like this is fine, and that's gonna be our little pom-pom. So we're gonna stitch it onto the fabric now. So let's see. So I'm gonna put the little pom-pom here. It's gonna start actually from here. I'm gonna stitch this like that. Okay, like that. So our pom-pom is already stitched. And now I'm gonna stitch this again through the other side like that, just because the idea is that it's tight, so it doesn't come off from the fabric like that. So we have attached our little pom-pom already, and now I'm gonna just like do a few stitches, kind of like in the direction towards here, like in the kit here, like that. So I'm gonna do a little stitch like that, so then you keep it that way, like that. So you can cut the loops if you want, or you can just leave the loops like that. So now I'm gonna just cut this. It's a bit of cutting like that. I like to cut it, but if you don't want, it's fine. And then you can also cut the length. So yeah, so we have our fluffy pom-pom here ready. And I'm gonna do another one. That's the first one. So the idea is that we can make more, so it can be more fluffy. You can pick the color that you want. So I'm gonna pick again green, and maybe I'm gonna do some blue as well. A bit of thread, so same idea. We're gonna fold this like that. Like this. So then gonna stitch that there. Oh, I'm moving the hoop a lot. It's hard to keep it in the same position. Okay, have another little pom-pom here, and we're gonna stitch this more tight to the fabric like that. And now a little stitch here, down here, so it's gonna keep tied to the fabric like that. So now I'm gonna cut. So we just repeat this. So that's how we create some texture, but to create more fluffy pom-pom, we need to repeat this like a lot, like do many. But maybe you wanna do some more details of pom-pom, like in the clouds even, or maybe here. So you can also do that. So you are free to do any pom-poms here, whatever you want. So that's the idea. Okay, and I can even like keep cutting this, a little bit like that. So Okay, so then you can keep making more.